In this video, you'll learn how to change the speed of all your clips at once on the edit page. This is really handy if you realize your entire sequence feels too slow or too fast and you don't want to adjust each clip individually. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step and explain what each option does so you know exactly what's happening to your timeline. First, make sure you're on the edit page. This is the workspace where you see your timeline with all your video and audio clips laid out in tracks. If you're in a different page, like cut or color, switch over to edit so you can access the full timeline controls. Once you're on the edit page, you need to select every clip in the timeline. The fastest way to do that is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Control and A together. If you're on a Mac, press Command and A. You should see all the clips in your timeline become highlighted, which means they're all selected and ready to be edited as a group. Now that everything is selected, move your mouse over any one of the highlighted clips and right-click. It doesn't matter which clip you choose as long as it's one of the selected ones. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Change Clip Speed and click it. This will open a small settings window that lets you control how fast or slow those clips will play. Inside the Change Clip Speed window, you'll see a field for speed, usually shown as a percentage. This is where you tell the software how fast you want your clips to run. A value of 100% means the clips will play at their original speed. If you type in 200%, that means double speed, so everything will play twice as fast and become half as long. If you type in 50%, that's half speed, so everything will play more slowly and each clip will become twice as long. Take a moment to think about how much you want to change the timing of your edit. Small adjustments like 110 or 120% can make the pacing feel a bit snappier without being too drastic, while something like 300% will dramatically speed everything up. Before you confirm the change, look for an option in that same window called Ripple Sequence. This setting controls how the rest of the timeline reacts when you change the clip speeds. If Ripple Sequence is checked, the entire timeline will automatically shrink or expand to match the new clip lengths. So if you speed everything up, your whole sequence becomes shorter. If you slow everything down, the sequence becomes longer and the clips after them move accordingly. If Ripple Sequence is not checked, the clips will change speed, but the overall length of the timeline won't adjust to close any gaps or make room. That can leave empty spaces or cause overlaps, so it's usually a good idea to enable Ripple Sequence when you're changing the speed of all clips in a project-wide way. Once you've chosen your speed percentage and decided whether to enable Ripple Sequence, click the Change button. The software will then update all of the selected clips together, applying